Go Carpet Cleaning Smyrna, Georgia. Looking for a carpet cleaning business that cares about your wellness as much as they care about clean carpets? Look no further than Go Carpet Cleaning. Our team is devoted to supplying a disciplined approach to our work that will leave your carpets looking and smelling clean and brand new. Contact us today for a totally free quote. About our carpet cleaning services in Smyrna. Go Carpet Cleaning has been cleaning carpets in homes throughout Smyrna, bringing years of experience to every task and a consistent dedication to customer support. We want to make sure that our customers are 100% pleased with the carpet cleaning solutions that we offer, and we ensure satisfaction on each and every job. We're among the highest rated carpet cleaning companies in Smyrna, and we're devoted to eliminating spots and bacteria with safe and environmentally friendly solutions. Whether you need commercial or residential carpet cleaning services, our team has definitely got your back. When you call our carpet cleaning company, our competent professionals are skilled cleaners in hot water extraction, steam cleaning, as a cleaning approach, which gets rid of stains by completely cleaning the fibers of your carpet, in a non-toxic way with no severe chemicals. The very best part? We work hard and we use efficient steam cleansing tools in order to reach deep into the fibers of your carpet, and into every nook and cranny, so we can provide a full, thorough carpet cleaning. Take a look at our before and after images, to see how we're able to successfully cleanse even the most persistent dirt and grime. You'll see what's genuinely the very best carpet cleaning, readily available in Smyrna and the surrounding area. Call today. Schedule Go Carpet Cleaning for carpet cleaning in Smyrna, Georgia. Call 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website, www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Smyrna-GA.